Hi, welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to open CMD. All right. First method here is just by going to your search bar and just typing in CMD. And there you have your CMD. You can just go ahead to open it up from here or run this program as administrator. And that'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. All right. Another option is just by going to your taskbar right here and right click on it. Now click on Task Manager. And here, just go ahead and click on Run New Task. Now type in CMD. All right. Once done, just hit on Enter. And CMD right here is now open. Now, another option is by using your File Explorer. For example, you are somewhere right here in your File Explorer. Then you realize that you wanted to open up a CMD. In here in the URL box or the directory box, just type in CMD. Once done, just hit on Enter. And there you have your CMD. All right. And did you know you can use this directory box right here when opening up apps? All right. Say, for example, I'm going to open up PowerShell. Hit on Enter. Right here, we have PowerShell. In here, for example, I'm going to open up Steam. Hit on Enter. As you can see here, Steam just opened. That's basically how we use it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.